In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and salt. Set the dry ingredients aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, combine butter and brown sugar. Beat until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add molasses, egg, and vanilla extract, beating until combined. In 3 equal additions, slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, mixing after each addition until the flour mixture is incorporated. Wrap the dough in plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Scoop the dough out in heaping tablespoonfuls and roll into balls. Roll the balls into powdered sugar and place on parchment-lined baking sheets. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Melt the chocolate in 30-second intervals. Working quickly, dip 1/2 of each of the cooled cookies into the melted white chocolate. Sprinkle the chocolate-dipped side of the cookies with red, green, and white candy stars and wreaths.